Hey guys, it's agactually. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a huge American Girl doll haul. We have a couple dolls, we have some clothes, we have some supplies. It's going to be huge, and I'm super excited to show you everything. So is my cat, as you can see. You guys used to watch my old videos. I'm gonna try to do it like my old videos were, where I'm just going to show you everything. Not gonna show too much of my face, just gonna explain everything to you guys, kind of explain to you what I plan on doing with these dolls, and I'm just really excited for the future of this channel and getting back into doll restoration because I have such a passion for it, and you guys are about to see these dolls are super messed up and they definitely need to be restored. So I got these items from eBay, Mercari, Amazon, and Dollar Tree. I get all of my stuff very discounted. While American Girl is very expensive, you can shop affordably, especially on eBay and Mercari, because people sell used dolls for like $20 on there, and you can get really lucky and you can restore some historical dolls and really like rare dolls. That's kind of what I've done here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I've got. Excuse all the animals, they like to be in the camera. So first what I'm going to do is show you guys the dolls and the doll clothes, and then afterwards I'm gonna go over the stuff that I bought to restore the dolls. So this whole container right here is stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then also this is another item. So I'll go over all of those last so you guys can see what I'm going to be doing. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the dolls first, and then we'll do the clothes. So I did open the boxes already just to make sure that I got everything intact. When you get stuff from Mercari, you have to confirm with the app that you got everything that you paid for. So you have to open it as soon as you get it so the person can get paid. So I did have to open a couple of these items. I'll have a link for Mercari down below. I have shopped and sold on there since I was in late middle school, early high school, and it's a great app. You can find really amazing things on there, and if you use my link you get $10 off your first purchase, which is pretty great. This first box right here, this is from Mercari, and this is a doll. So let me go ahead and show you. I am super excited. So here it is. It was wrapped very morbidly inside of this plastic bag. Like, it actually made me laugh seeing like her body all tangled up in here. And you are probably wondering how a doll fits in here, and you're gonna see why. If you don't like doll limbs or doll parts, or you get triggered by that in some way, I know some people get like scared about like broken dolls, you might not want to watch this because she is completely dismembered. So this is Josefina. She is one of my favorite American Girl dolls. I find her so beautiful, especially her hair. It definitely needs like help. It feels so dry, like I can't even explain. It just feels like disgusting. It definitely needs like some conditioner, maybe some laundry softener or something. It needs work. But that's the least of our worries, obviously, considering she has no limbs. So here's her face. First of all, I'm gonna show you that. So her face is in pretty good condition. There's a little bit of like shine marks, and my cat is grabbing her hair. There's a couple of shine marks on her face and a couple little scuffs, but that won't be too hard. Her eyes open and close good, so that's not a worry. Her earrings are in. She has the American Girl label on her neck. She does have neck strings, which is awesome. I wish the tag said what year she was from, like this specific doll was made, but if you guys have any ideas of like what time period these certain dolls came out in, please let me know. I am not really good at like all the different face molds and everything. I'm still kind of relearning all of that. So if you know, I know this is Josefina. She's a historical doll. Her limbs are actually in here. Her limbs aren't attached. They were included, and I got her for $15 on Mercari. $15 for a doll that's just dismembered, which is really not that bad. I don't know how hard it is to like put limbs on a broken doll, but the little balls or whatever are still in the legs, so I have to figure out how to pull those out. Her limbs are in pretty good condition. There is a couple staining on them, a couple shine marks that can just be scuffed out. We have the limbs, I just have to put them on her body. And also the person that I bought her from included a doll restringing kit, because she said that she was gonna do it herself, but then she just didn't feel like doing it, so she just put her up for sale instead. So I got her for $15 with the restringing kit, and she's a historical doll. She's in really great condition, and I literally got her for $15. Like, that's such a steal, and I'm so excited to restore her because she is going to look absolutely beautiful. And I'm trying to find some of her original clothes, like her meat outfit. But her meat outfit clothes are so expensive online, and I haven't been able to find anything that's reasonably priced because I am not willing to spend $50 on one American Girl outfit, so we'll see if I could ever find one of her meet outfits. So I would say that's like my most favorite find of this entire haul, just because I love Josefina and the fact that I got her for so cheap. So I'm just gonna put her dismembered body back in this bag, and now I'm gonna show you the other dolls that are surprisingly in almost worse condition. All right, so I got this package from eBay. It is a pack of 3 American Girl dolls, and I got all 3 for $30. So 3 dolls, $10 each, but they need a lot of work. So let me go ahead and open it up and show you guys, because it's pretty bad. I am going to have my work cut out for me with these dolls. They're gonna take me a while. Here they are, all lined up perfectly in a little doll package here. Feel free to comment down below if you know who any of them are. I know who one of them is, but I'm not too sure who these 2 dolls are. So I'm gonna go with the first doll that I know who this is. So this is also a historical doll. This is Rebecca. I don't know anything about Rebecca's story. Her side tag has been cut off. Her hair is not too bad. I mean, it needs to be washed and recurled. Her face is not in terrible condition. Her eyes are so pretty. I love the color of her eyes. She has a couple scuff marks, shine marks on her face. Her limbs have a couple of stains. Her limbs are pretty loose, so I'm gonna have to tighten her limbs for sure, as you can see. She's not in terrible condition. She has an American Girl symbol on the back of her neck, so she's not one of the older Rebecca dolls. There's some like black staining. Not too bad. But I really like Rebecca. I don't know her story, but I think she looks super cute. Just needs a little bit of shaping. All right. Here's the next doll. So the reason I'm laughing is just because she is just so messed up, and it just makes me laugh. So like I said, comment down below if you know what kind of doll this is. I don't know if it's any type of like Truly Me, or I don't know if anything like that. I don't know how old she is. The tag says 2017, which is the year I graduated from high school, so she's not too old. Well, I guess I graduated like 6 or 7 years ago, so it is a little bit old, but her hair has been cut. And honestly, the person who cut her hair didn't do a terrible job. The girl has got some layers, and I honestly find the haircut totally adorable, so I wouldn't mind keeping the wig, except the person who cut it also tried to dye it pink, and I don't know if this pink will wash out easily, but let me know down below if you think that I should keep her wig like this, and like just make it look a little bit better, because I don't hate it. I actually think it's super cute. I don't know why I like it. Honestly, it's soft and everything. It just has this like random pink in it, which I don't hate. I could try to maybe like dye some strips to try to match it to look like it was intentional. I don't know, I could work with it. Her eyes are also super blue. She's giving that Miley Cyrus meme. She's got a lot of staining on her torso, so her torso definitely needs some like fixing, some cleaning, and her limbs are loose, so her limbs need to be tightened too. All around, she needs a full restoration, but she is not in terrible condition. Now, this last girl here, this girl, she's been through it. She has been through it. I'm the most excited to restore this doll because she just looks so terrible. So the back of her neck is actually a Pleasant company, so she is an older doll. It says 2008 on her tag. I don't know what kind of doll she is. Her hand is completely chewed up. As you can see, she got attacked by a dog or something. And you know what? We can work with that. Her limbs definitely need to be tightened and clean. But the main issue, as you can see, is her face. Her eyes both don't open and close. Like, this one keeps getting stuck. I was thinking of just doing a full total replacement on her. Look, oh my god, she's so terrifying. So completely change her eyes, give her a new wig, just completely give her a new look. They put glitter in her teeth. Like, her teeth has glitter all in it. They cut her hair. Like, what is this? I don't know how this happened. I'm assuming it was a kid, but she needs a complete wig change. So I've been looking at some cool wigs on Etsy to buy, and I'm just gonna completely change her up and make her look so much better. But if anybody knows what doll this is, help me out here. 2008, I don't know. But she's so cute, but she needs help. So I think she's gonna be one of the first dolls I try to restore because I'm really excited. Okay, so here's all the dolls. That was all of the dolls for this haul. Now I'm going to show you guys some of the American Girl doll clothes and supplies that I got. But like I said, I got all of these dolls for $45, and that's crazy considering most people sell one for like $80. So I got a steal, and I'm very happy about it. Comment down below who you want me to restore first. Now let's get into this stuff. All right, this little box right here. I believe this is Rebecca's meet outfit. So since I got the historical dolls, I wanted to get the meet outfits for the historical dolls. because when I restore them, I want to put them back in their original outfits. So for Rebecca's, it was hard to once again find one that wasn't like outrageously priced. I got this one, I believe, for $20. I haven't spent more on $30 for anything, so I believe this was $20. This is Rebecca's Be Forever meet outfit, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe it's all of the pieces too. So first we have the little shoes. I'm obsessed with these, the color, the material. They're so cute. I just love this outfit in general. Like, I find it so adorable. Here's the little coat, the dress, and it's in really great shape. I don't see any staining or anything, any pulls, anything on it, with the little bloomers and the tights. And then also, it even came with the original hair beret, which a lot of the listings didn't, because I'm sure it was very easy to lose these back in the day. So it came with literally everything. And once I restore Rebecca, I'm going to be putting her in this outfit so she is back to her roots. And I'm just so glad that I found this. All right, here's the next outfit. This one I just thought was super cute, and there was someone on eBay that was selling a bunch of American Girl outfits for like $10 to $15 each. And I wanted to buy more, but I restrained myself and I only bought the one that I liked the most. So this is a gymnastics outfit. I'm not sure what year it's from or anything like that, but here is the little slippers. Here are the shorts. Here is the gymnastics top, and here is the pullover that goes over everything. I did gymnastics for a huge part of my childhood before I started playing softball. So I really wanted to get this because I just absolutely love gymnastics and the sport in general. So I wanted to put a doll in a gymnastics uniform, and I also love the colors of it. All right, here is the next outfit. Excuse my dog, he wanted to be in camera. I got this one from eBay, and this is an American Girl of Today hanger that I see. I don't know how old this outfit is. I believe the listing said like 2008 or something. I don't know. I just got it because it was literally $10. And look at these shoes. These shoes are so cute. I don't think these shoes go with this outfit. I'm not 100% sure. I think it's just like a mixed matched outfit, but I thought it was cute, so I got it. They're a little dirty. It has an old American Girl sticker on it. If you guys know what it's from, please comment down below. We've got an American Girl of Today hanger, and it's staining. Okay, here we go. It says American Girl Holiday. So this is a year 2000 holiday outfit. And I'm obsessed with this color blue, like especially during Christmas time. I find it so, so beautiful. I love anything with this blue on it. It's in really great condition. It has like the feathery sleeves, and it also came with the skirt as well. So I believe these two go together. I don't think these shoes go with the specific outfit, and I also believe the original outfit came with like maybe a hat or tights or something. I don't remember when I saw it. I'll put it on the screen if I can find it. I find this so beautiful, and I can't wait to dress up one of the dolls in this, especially around Christmas time. I think it'll look so cute. And also having a little hanger is fun because I want to make a little doll closet. So that was all the outfits that I have bought so far. Like I said, finding outfits at a reasonable price, that is American Girl brand, is kind of hard. I'm planning on maybe buying some Our Generation clothes at Target because it's pretty cheap. That's the clothes that I've gotten so far. And now I'm going to go over all the stuff that I got at Dollar Tree and Amazon to restore these dolls. So first from Amazon, I got a mini hair crimper. This is actually more for my Barbies because all of the Barbies that I showed in my last vintage toy haul, most of them have crimped hair. So I bought this mini hair crimper for like $8 on Amazon, and I bought it to help crimp doll hair. Then I bought some laundry detergent. I forgot to get laundry softener, so next time I go to Dollar Tree, I will buy the softener. I got some shampoo and conditioner to wash the doll hair. I got some Hello Kitty toothbrushes to help scrub the bodies of the dolls. And keep in mind, this is for Barbie dolls as well, all the stuff that I'm showing you. I got hair elastics, and I tried to use these on my own hair, and I guess my hair was too thick and it broke them. So they don't work on my hair. I hope they work on doll hair. I bought some of these really thick elastics to use to tighten doll limbs. Handy dandy Dawn dish soap. I got this 2-pack container to hold the elastics and all of like the little doll items like charms and stuff like that. Want to keep them secure and I don't want to lose them, so I bought these to keep little doll stuff in. I got this super glue. I figured I could use this to glue a new doll wig back on. Let me know if that's a bad idea. It is waterproof, so I figured having a wig that was waterproof would be a pretty good idea. I don't know. I just saw it and I grabbed it, so maybe I should use a different type of glue, but it's good to have super glue in general. And then lastly, I bought some hair curlers to help re-curl doll hair. So I got these 2 packs here, and then I got this little one for Barbies. That's all they really had. They were pretty sold out at my Dollar Tree, and then they also had tons of these storage cubes. So I got a couple of these storage cubes. I'm gonna go back and get more. These are really nice to hold doll stuff. So I've been keeping all of my doll supplies contained inside of these storage cubes. And it keeps everything hidden, it doesn't look messy, and I just have them scooted into my bookshelf. So I'm just gonna keep all my doll clothes and everything in here until I get to them. But yeah guys, that was my huge American Girl doll haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoy filming videos like this. I love watching doll hauls. It's like one of my favorite things to do. Comment down below which one you want me to restore first. My next video is probably going to be a Barbie restoration video, and then I will get to work on one of these. And if you have any advice or you have any Etsy shops you like or anything like that, feel free to comment down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!